Northwest Nova here. I'm going to do a quick video on 62 to 65 Nova glove box doors and the variation in how GM painted the hinge that attaches the glove box door to the dash. We've seen two variations. There may be more, but this is what you commonly see. First one over here, this glove box door came off a 100 series car. We believe it's a 63. And the glove box door, as far as we can tell from the inside, is still original paint, as is the hinge. The hinge was using the original hardware to attach. And the hinge is painted the same color as the door. It's like a dark olive drab. And when you remove the hinge, you'll see it's bare metal. And that is not sandblasted metal that someone did. That is the original metal there. It's also bare metal down under the hinge into that channel. For all I know, I'm the first person to ever remove this. Then on the hinge, you'll see what we'll call the top part is painted. Flipping it over, you'll see part is painted and part is bare metal, indicating GM painted this assembly as one. And those are the original style acorn nuts that GM attached these with. You often see them black. I've also seen them zinc dichromate. Then the washers. And you will see original washers. Sometimes, there it is, have an S stamped on them. Now the other variation. This glove box door is off a 64 Nova 400 series with the super common blue interior, real common color. And you'll see this hinge is black. Also, as far as I know, I'm the first person ever to remove this hinge. Had all original hardware. Removing the hinge, you'll see it is painted under it. And the paint down there is in nice shape. Would be real useful to do a color sample on. See, the hinge is a flat black. And it is painted throughout, no bare metal, indicating it was painted separately. This hinge also, that's a W with a line under it, has that maker's mark. The first hinge I showed you does not have that maker's mark. Not sure how much that matters, just pointing it out. So again, on the glove box, you'll see it has been painted. Our guess is this was done on glove box doors, this is just a guess, that had trim and emblems, that they painted the whole door, then they installed the trim and emblem, then they installed the hinge. Again, just a guess. Look at the screws real fast. The ones that have the black hinges tend to have non-painted screws. It's a bright zinc color. I've also seen these zinc with a bit of a rainbow in them. These fop coming off. Then on the painted one, it's hard to tell because they're getting a bit rusty or oxidation and dirt. But these are the zinc under. Captured star washer. And they've been painted on the top. Again, indicating this was all painted together after it was assembled. So there you go. Just a quick little detail thought I would share.